back to the channel and thanks for stopping by. Today, this video is sponsored by Boost Auto Parts. I do have their mirrors on my truck, which I absolutely love. And today, of course, if you haven't noticed throughout the last few weeks here, they have introduced the new 2020 key fobs for GMC trucks. And we're about to show you exactly how to program them and what they look like. We've got ourselves some white stickers, some black stickers, some silver stickers, a blue can koozie, and a brown can koozie, and of course, the new 2020 GMC upgraded key fob. All right, so we're headed on our way to Harbor Freight right now, and once we get to Harbor Freight, we're actually going to show you how to program these. They're very simple to do. You can do it in the parking lot anywhere you're at. You can buy one off the shelf, you can buy one anywhere else and reprogram them. But I do want to let you know that if you have multiple key fobs and you have a new one of these, you need to make sure that you have all your key fobs with you, because when you go ahead and cycle your truck to reprogram a new key fob, you need to reprogram all your old ones. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the programming on this new key fob. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down the unlock button on your driver's side. You're gonna hear it cycle like that, and then you're gonna cycle this twice. 1, 2, take it back, and then you hear that blink. Now your locks have completely cycled. Now you're gonna take your new key fob. You're gonna hold the lock and unlock button at the same exact time for up to 30 seconds. Okay, so that's the new key fob. Now you gotta take your old key fob and do the same thing. You're gonna hold your lock and unlock for up to 30 seconds. You're gonna hear the lock cycle once again. There you go. Now you have both your key fobs cycled. Now you're gonna cycle the key to the on position, then off, and that takes it out. Now if I get the new key fob. Now this is where you're gonna wanna test it first. So we're gonna go ahead and lock the vehicle. Unlock it. Okay, old key fob. Lock the vehicle. Unlock it. That's that simple, you guys. So honestly, you guys, I can't express it enough how easy these key fobs are to install or to program. They're very simple. Again, this is the 2020 and up Boost Auto Parts key fob. I'll link below a description for you guys. I'll link below the product for you guys. Seriously, just get one of these. This is hands down the nicest key fob, one that they've ever produced, and two that I've even actually just felt before in my hand. So you can't go wrong with it. It's super nice. It's really, really affordable, and it's a great upgrade for your truck that you're gonna be happy about. So again, thank you so much to Boost Auto Parts for sponsoring today's video. It is a great key fob. I have their mirrors. I've got some more stuff from them coming up that I have ordered months ago, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you wanna see more, and have yourselves a good night.